This is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research to talk about world-class benchmarking, looking at Zhejiang Expressway Company Limited in China. So let's go through a little background on the company. First, Zhejiang Expressway Company Limited is 67% owned by the Zhejiang Communications Investment Group, which is itself 100% owned by the Zhejiang provincial government to invest and operate toll road assets within this prosperous province. The group also has exposure to securities brokerage business with its 71% holdings in Zhejiang Securities. Let's take a look at the overall trading of this stock. First, the ticker code is 576 HK, traded in Hong Kong. And the market capitalization is about $4.7 billion US dollars, average daily turnover 5 million. The beta is slightly above 1 at 1.3. It's in the industrial sector and the industry is transportation. So let's continue on and look at what's going on here. This company is an infrastructure company primarily engaged in development and operation of highways. The company owns the 248-kilometer Shanghai-Hangzhou-Ningbo Expressway, which accounts for the majority of its toll revenue, and I'm going to be on that expressway in the next couple days. It also operates the 142-kilometer Shangshan, 70-kilometer Ningbo and Jinhua, and the 170-kilometer Hanghui Expressways. The latest acquisition of the Huahang Expressway will bring the total length of expressways managed by ZJEX, as we call it, from around 577 kilometers to 664. Now, almost 50% of the revenues of this company comes from its security brokerage, which is derived from the company's 71% stake in Zhejiang Securities. Now, the securities business noted a more than 100% increase in profits in 2015, but that growth is expected to cool down due to the less positive stock market sentiment and the company's primary focus on toll roads. Zhejiang Securities plans to go public in the A-shares market in 2016 in China. Expressway-related operations include automobile servicing, petrol stations, food sales, and advertising, which combined account for the remaining 14% of revenue. If we look at the revenue breakdown, what we're going to see is that the securities business provides 46% of revenue, and this is as of 2015, tolls 40%, and expressway-related operations 14%. Now, let's look at the world-class benchmarking for this company. The first thing that we can see is that the chairman of the company has been chairman since June 2012 to the present, and the general manager has been there since 2012 to present also. And in this case, one of the interesting things about what we see in Asia is many very competent women CEOs, Jianhu Luo. And in this case, let's look at her performance. What we can see is that profitable growth has fallen to below average. It only ranks better than 560 of 1,400 large companies in the industrial sector worldwide. And the next thing is profitability has fallen to average. Growth was in a good trend, but not in the prior 12 months. And finally, low asset utilization, which is expected of an infrastructure company, but world-class profit margin. Sales growth and margin change are both dragging, especially margin change, on this company's overall EPS growth. Do you want to see the profitable growth rank for a company in your portfolio? Well, just leave a comment below with the company name and a country of listing, and I'll post it if I have it.